If AI became 10 times smarter tomorrow morning, would you still be valuable? I mean, you looking at me here. Because the truth of the matter is this: AI can actually do most of the things that we spend years in university to learn how to do. AI can write, AI can design, AI can create content. And the question is this: if AI can do all of these things that we spend years to learn, the question should be, would you still be valuable? Considering the certificate you have, the degrees, and the title. This is a profound question I want you to really think about. In case you're joining us for the first time, I want to say welcome on board. My name is Michael Abai, and here we help entrepreneurs, and ambitious professionals to grow, scale, and create lasting wealth. If that sounds like what you're interested in, stay with us to the end of this episode. Once again, I want to thank you once again for joining us. Welcome. And today I'll be showing you critical things you need to learn. 3 major skills that we need to learn to be able to evolve in this AI-powered economy. Because the truth of the matter is this: I sincerely believe that AI is very important, but AI can actually not destabilize or disrupt or destabilize most of the things we are going to be doing in this 21st century. Yes, it is true. The future belongs to AI, but there are still some important things that AI cannot do. That is my belief. And that's what you're about to learn in today's episode. So stay with me. So today we're looking at the 3 skill sets needed to be able to thrive and become valuable in this AI-powered economy. If you are ready, let's get down to today's live session. Once again, welcome on board. Now the question is this: AI can actually give you vital information, can give you vital data, but AI cannot actually take decisions and act on your behalf. And that's why today I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. Now, the first screen I'm sharing with you today is this: the human judgment. AI can do a lot of things, but I sincerely believe that in this 21st century, people that will become valuable are people that we call them analytical thinking. People that can be able to take decisions that are right at the right time. Very critical. So when people actually are afraid that AI will destabilize a lot of things, yeah, this is the economy of the AI. That's true. AI is taking over a lot of jobs, but I sincerely believe that AI cannot take over this job. This human judgment, whereby you need to take decisions based on analytical thinking, this thing is very important. So we need to begin to position ourselves and see how we can become valuable by being able to think deeply, analytically, to take decisions. But these are some of the things that AI cannot actually replace. And this is very vital. You can see here, AI can analyze data. Humans weigh context, and human makes decisions. And if you know what I always say, if it's going to be, it's up to you. AI cannot take decisions for you. AI can only enhance it, but it is left for you to take your decision. This is very, very important. Now, there's another thing I want to share with us very quickly. Now, this other part that I hear a lot of people complaining about. Yes, AI is into technology. AI is into health sector, which is good. But there's something I want to ask you. Now, if you are sick and you happen to visit the clinic and they tell you that, look, this is an AI-powered robotics machine that can actually operate you, then you also have another human being that people actually recommend and say this person actually treated or has actually done surgery for about 9-10 people that they know of, and this person came in highly recommended. Which of them will you choose? Will you stick to the AI recommendation, or will you stick to the human that people recommend to you? So these things are very, very critical. So when people are saying AI, yeah, it's true. Humans actually build relationship and trust. AI cannot take away these things. It takes human to build trust. It takes human to build relationship. Let me quickly share my second slide with you. Now, when people are talking about AI, we need to begin to position ourselves. Look at it. Trust building. AI can communicate. Humans build relations. Look at it there. You can see the hand of the lady shaking the hand of the man. So you must begin to ask yourself, how can I begin to develop my relationship skills? These are the skills that AI cannot take over from. This is very, very critical. So we must begin to position ourselves in this area. Look at it. People trust people. Trust open doors. Trust open doors. But trust is end. AI cannot build relationship. AI cannot open doors. Yes, AI can enhance it by enhancing the quality of the information and the data you have. But AI cannot build relationships. So we need to begin to work focus on how we begin to build trust and build relationship. In this 21st century, people that will thrive are people that have strong relationship management, strong relationship skills. This thing is very, very critical. Very, very critical. So we need to begin to position ourselves in the right direction. And the other thing I want to look at today is this. Now look at this. Now, when people are talking about AI, a lot of things about AI, I sincerely believe AI is going to be very, very one of the most useful tools in this 21st century. But there are so many things that AI cannot take over from. Now, let me share this with you very quickly. Now, just imagine AI analyzing data for you. AI telling you what to do as regard this area. But do you know that AI does not have the experience? AI does not have the connectivity. AI does not have the personal touch. For example, now just imagine when you're about to take actions, there will be some certain steps that you will take. That sometimes you will make mistakes. Sometimes you will correct yourself. Sometimes you will stand up. And what you begin to move forward and look for avenues to create opportunities. So when people are talking about AI, you need to begin to position yourself. AI can't create opportunities, to only enhance it. And how is it going to enhance it? By simply helping you with the data. Helping with the data. Helping with the data. The data. Very, very critical. The data should be able to help you take informed decisions. Informed decisions. This thing is very, very critical. Informed decisions. So you as a human being, as a person, you must understand that AI cannot think deeply, analytical for you. AI can suggest, but AI cannot give you the human thinking that can translate to actions, to steps that you need to take. So this is very important. And that's why I'm going to be sharing my third slide with you. Because this is very, very important. Now, when we talk about opportunity creation, look at it. AI can show possibilities, but human take action. That's why I always say this. If it's going to be, it's up to you. If it's going to be, it's up to you. So when you are looking at AI can help you with spot trends, see possibilities. Don't forget that in this 21st century, the future does not belong to people. The future belongs to every one of us that uses AI because information is going to become very cheap. Access to information is going to become very cheap. But what is going to differentiate you from others is how you are able to apply the access to information you have. This is very, very critical. So in this 21st century, people that will become valuable in the marketplace, become valuable 5 years from now, 10 years from now, are people that can actually take decisions and create sustainable opportunities. As a result, create wealth. Very, very important. Look at it. It can help you see possibilities, but the decision, the action is left for you. Now look around the world today. Everyone is using AI. Businesses that will thrive the next couple of 2-5 years must be AI compliant. But these three things I just shared with you are things that AI cannot replace. AI cannot what? Take the place of analytical thinking. That is what? Simple. Human judgment. Very, very critical. So the analytical thinking part of it is left for the human beings to utilize. Then the second part also we're looking at today's world, AI cannot build trust. Trust building relationship is up to the human part. AI cannot do that. AI cannot actually what create what opportunities for you. Yes, it is true. AI can actually enhance it by giving you data, statistics, and help you to see possibilities. I just shared with you during the second slide I shared. There are two businesses started. One having this, two of them having access to the same AI information. But within a couple of years, one succeeded and one failed. What happened? It is not just the information, it is what the analytical thinking and the opportunity to be able to build trust and relationships. These are some of the things that is going to be what becoming very relevant and valuable in this 21st centuries. So we need to stay put into these three skill sets. Number one is what the human judgment. Number two is what the aspect of trust and building quality relationships. And the third one we share today is what opportunity creation. This is very, very important. So I want to ask you, my audience today, you that you're looking at me today, in this 21st century, how do you see your future in the next 2 years, in the next 5 years? Because the truth of the matter is this: the future belongs to every one of us. Because in a couple of years to come, in less than 5 years, information will become very cheap. But what will separate the successful from the unsuccessful is the ability to what? Have sound analytical thinking, deliberately what? Build a skill to create trust and create relationships, and what? Having the opportunity to take actions towards the opportunity that AI will be pointing to every one of us. Everybody sees, but not everybody can understand what they see. So this is very, very critical. In case you are joining us for the first time, once again, my name is Michael Abayin, and today we have looked at the three major skill sets needed to thrive in this 21st century. If you got value from today's live session, do well to hit the subscribe button, share this, and like it so that more people can get to know about it. Thank you very much for joining us today. Once again, never forget, no one lives long enough to make all the mistakes we learn from those ahead. Thank you, and God bless you. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.